Hey my YouTube fam, let's make healthy Tuscan mushroom pasta. This is a healthy low-carb vegetarian mushroom pasta recipe which has 281 calories per serving, 25 grams of protein, 16 grams of carbs and 26 grams of fat. So without delay, let's start the recipe. You simply start by taking a large skillet and melting some light butter and extra virgin olive oil in it. Now as the oil shimmers, I'll add my chopped onions to this and cook it over low heat for 1 minute. And next I'll add my minced garlic to it and cook it for 30 to 40 seconds so that it all gets fragrant. Next goes the chopped mushrooms. I'm adding button mushrooms here. You can replace it with oyster or portobello mushrooms if you have it at home. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes until it all gets golden brown in color. Next I'll add my sun-dried tomatoes and some dried thyme. Simply cook the mushrooms in the sun-dried tomato oil so that it all soaks up the flavors of the tomatoes and gets all juicy and delicious. Next I'll add my chopped spinach and cook the spinach for 4 to 5 minutes over low heat until it gets wilted. Next I'm adding half and half to this. You can replace it with heavy cream as well. And to season it I'm adding dried oregano and some salt and pepper. Next I'll add my cooked whole wheat pasta to this. You can add any kind of pasta and also some low fat Parmesan cheese. You can replace it with Asiago or mozzarella cheese as well. Just simply toss everything to bring it all together. I like my pasta a little soupy, so I left it a little pasta water to it. If you want it dry, you can cook it over high heat until it all dries up and gets creamy. Just top with some chopped parsley and your healthy Tuscan mushroom pasta is ready. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have a great day.